Samantala, sa edukasyon ng mga kabataan, hindi na lamang ito nasusukat sa pagbabasa, pagsusulat at pagbibilang, kundi na rin sa paglinang ng kanilang kakayahan sa tulong ng isang non-government youth development organization. Panoorin po natin ito.
Hindi lamang pagsusulat, pagbabasa at pagbibilang ang dapat ituro sa mga bata. Dapat tinuturuan din silang maging responsable sa buhay at mangarap kung ano ang gusto nilang propesyon sa kanilang pagtanda. Iyan din ang layunin ng isang non-government youth development organization. Ang tulungan ng mga kabataan pagdating sa work readiness, entrepreneurship at financial literacy.
What JA Philippines has done really is open doors for learners and all young people to learn about facets of themselves that can propel them towards their next career step.
Dahil dyan ay iba't ibang micro-credentialing programs ang isinasagawa nila para sa mga kabataang Pilipino sa buong bansa upang maturuan sila ng iba't ibang skills.
We're very successful in the field of training the students for entrepreneurship. Now we want to expand this program, not just entrepreneurship, but to prepare these young people in the world of work. Kung sa tingin nila hindi pa sa kanila pwede yung maging negosyante, so gusto muna mag-empleyo, this is the perfect timing to highlight their skills through micro-credentialing program.
Mas pinakita pa ng naturang organisasyon ang kanilang dedikasyon at commitment sa kanilang advokasya sa pamamagitan ng katatapos lamang na oath-taking ceremony ng mga bago nilang Council of Business Advisors and Alumni na ginanap sa isang cafe sa lungsod ng Taguig.
This event will highlight the best of the best mentors that we have and provide us with industry insight that they can impart to the aspiring entrepreneurs of tomorrow.
What makes this endeavor quite wonderful is that they're not doing it alone. They are tapping the expertise of industry leaders. They are providing guidance not only to a particular sector, but to a wide range of demographics. Focusing, of course, on our young people. They have already reached over 16,000 schools nationwide.
Ika nga nila, start them young. And by starting them young, we can empower more young Filipinos who will lead, inspire, and shape the future of our nation.